Yeah. On my way.
갑작스러운 호출을 받은 베테랑 외과의사 엘리자베스는 지친 몸을 이끌고 수술실로 향하고
She's tachycardic, up from an hour ago and febrile.
Lisa, do you know where you are? Can you hear us all right? This is my registrar, Richard Whitehead. The history.
It was 1 day of cramping abdominal pain. Was given trimethoprim, diclofenac and paracetamol and then sent away. She's had no increase of pain at McBurney, so it doesn't look like appendix. She came back 3 days later in a lot of pain. Elevated pulse, tender abdomen with guarding at the left iliac, decreased urine output for 2 days, and notes there is also an IUCD in the situ.
Sorry, Lisa. 3 units, packed red blood cells, cross-matched. Prep for theatre.
영화 미스테이크 시작합니다.
We will go in today using the Hassan technique. Knife. We make a 10mm incision just above the umbilicus.
엘리자베스는 리처드에게 수술 과정을 하나씩 설명하며 수술을 이어가는데
Through the subcutaneous tissue into the fascia.
Holding.
Thank you. Now, just a few fibers at a time. And there's the peritoneum.
Stitch.
Thank you.
Clip. Cut.
Now, we use traction. Why?
To avoid damaging the underlying structures when we penetrate the peritoneal sheath into the abdomen.
Good, Richard. All right, we'll be inserting 3 trocars. Okay, here we go. Gas, please.
Gas is on.
There it comes. There we are, Richard. You guide it.
Well, it's extensive pus.
Sepsis it is.
이제 엘리자베스는 두 번째 투관칩을 삽입하는데 가스 압력이 올라가지 않자 의아해하고
All right, what's going on with the gas?
The tank was full.
Flow rate is at 6, but we're not at 10 yet.
그리고 리처드가 엘리자베스의 지시에 따라 세 번째 투관칩을 삽입하는데
Let's go, give it some welly.
Sorry.
All right, Richard, time's ticking. Let's go.
Sorry.
Quick, we need to open. Here, I need the B tray, an arterial instrument. We're converting. Please. B tray, please. Pull the trocars out, Richard.
Still at 90, pressure is falling now.
B, quick. Calming. Diathermy? No, I don't have time. I'll do it myself. Alex?
Pushing metareminol now.
Here we go. All right, I'm going in, Alex. Retractors. I'll hold it. Retractors. Get the big one. Pull it, Richard. Pull it. Pax. Pax. Careful with the ureter. It's not the IVC, it's the lumbar artery. Pressure. Keep your finger on it. Clamp. One more here.
Got it?
Okay. Stitches.
Stitch.
Okay. Richard has control of the posterior tear with his finger. The torrential bleeding from the vena cava is controlled with clamps. The most urgent is the lumbar vessel, currently sewing 5-O-proline.
Looking much better now.
Okay.
Pressure's coming up.
Let's wash out this pelvis, pop in a drain, take out her appendix for good measure.
Elizabeth, I'm sorry.
Hey, just close.
Josie.
I'll need you on this retractor.
수술을 마친 엘리자베스는 리처드에게 보호자들을 안심시키라고 하고
Go tell Lisa's parents it went well.
Surely you could explain
Richard,
better.
it went well. You go with families.
Mr. and Mrs. Williams, I'm Richard Whitehead, the registrar. I just want to apologize about the delay.
그날 저녁 리사의 상태를 살피기 위해 중환자실을 찾은 엘리자베스.
How's she doing?
She's stable.
Lisa. It went well. Robin, did you get a taxi?
Oh, yeah.
Clear night.
Got a double shift tomorrow.
I'll talk to Alistair.
Please don't. I might ruin things. You good?
Yeah.
다음날 출근하던 엘리자베스는 충격적인 소식을 전해 듣죠.
Richard, we lost the sepsis this morning. I was texted on the way in.
Oh, I didn't know.
Yeah, it's a bad outcome. It's very disappointing.
So she was what, in the ICU and then...
Yes, in ICU.
The trucker did that. What's that?
This was advanced sepsis. The sepsis was too advanced, and she was likely never going to make it. You saw that yourself.
Yeah, but I suppose the complication...
The complication may have contributed, but we'll never know how much. Look, all we can do now is move on.
Morning, Liz.
Morning, Alistair.
Can we have a quick word?
Of course.
엘러스테어는 리사의 부모님이 집도이와 만나길 원한다며 수술에 문제가 없었는지 확인하는데
They were under the impression that when she was admitted, an appendix or...
Who spoke to them from ICU?
Ben Matthews.
Andrew? Well, I'm happy to speak with them.
What really happened, Liz?
You've obviously read the notes.
Leading to internal damage.
Which was unrelated to the galloping infection.
unrelated.
But you know what you're going to say. You've got it in hand.
I think well in hand.
이후 엘리자베스는 리사의 부모님을 만나서 수술실에서 있었던 일을 이야기하고
We believe this was because of her IUCD. Some of her reproductive organs had become infected. We needed to do what is called a laparoscopy. Use a small camera to look inside Lisa and see what's wrong with her. That many of her abdominal organs had become infected and...
we just don't know what happened. We want to know more.
There was a complication during the surgery.
What complication?
We don't know why at this point, but there are many reasons it could have happened. As I said, her IUCD had become infected.
엘리자베스는 수술 중 발생한 문제보다 중환자실에서의 감염과 상태 악화에 초점을 맞춰 설명하는데
Infection was too much for her body, and this led to her cardiac arrest.
Our daughter is in the morgue.
Why, what's your name?
Elizabeth Taylor. It's my name.
다음날 리사의 사망 원인을 검토하는 회의가 열리고
Excuse me, where's Dr. Matthews?
Well, Dr. Matthews is an apology.
Without Dr. Matthews, what's the point?
엘리자베스는 사망 원인이 수술이 아닌 폐혈증 악화라며 중환자실의 책임을 따지는데
This is just an M&M. We're not apportioning blame.
Family want more information.
Okay, this is so fucking stupid.
Why would that be stupid, Liz?
We can't possibly know what happened with this girl without ICU and their nurses here.
Lisa Williams' parents have questions about errors made by the surgical staff because you told them there were complications. Am I right?
엘리자베스는 더 이상 말을 잇지 못하고 결국 회의가 시작되죠.
Robin, that Mrs. Taylor verbalized that there was no gas.
What did she mean?
She meant there's insufficient pressure of gas in the abdomen that lifts the peritoneal sac away from internal.
Frankly speaking, was it safe to go sticking things in her?
Well, I don't know.
You don't know.
Theoretical pressure needed inside the cavity is 10 short. The indicator on the insufflator reads enough or not enough.
Okay.
Or not.
In my clinical judgment, there was sufficient pressure.
Who inserted the last trocar, Liz? Who put the trocar in?
I did, which we repaired, of course.
You inserted the last trocar that caused the damage.
Look, it was more complicated.
엘리자베스는 결국 자신의 지시에 따라 리처드가 삽입했다고 말하고
Which failed to penetrate. I said to give it some welly.
Welly.
That's right.
이후 심란한 마음으로 동생 제시카를 만난 엘리자베스. 하지만 제시카는 자신의 반려견 이야기만 늘어놓고
Have you ever seen anything so photogenic? Is there any way that Atticus could stay with you for a little while? I'm moving in to his apartment. It's no good for a big dog.
Jess, no, I really don't.
But it would just be for short term. He'll be your best buddy.
I am never home.
We're never home either. He's totally used to it.
어쩔 수 없이 동생의 반려견을 맡게 된 엘리자베스. 그런데 그날 밤 벽 속에서 들려오는 이상한 소리에 잠에서 깨는데 한편 의료계에서는 외과의들의 수술 결과와 사망, 합병증 등의 기록을 공개하는 새로운 제도가 추진되고 있었고
And every case of everyone who has ever died underneath your scalpel will be on full public display. Will some surgeons be treated unfairly? Yes, most likely. Will some surgeons be forced to retire? Probably. In the broader context, a surgeon...
Sorry, I'm sorry.
Yes?
This will turn surgery upside down. Good surgeons will be treated unfairly.
Isn't being transparent about your results what a good surgeon does?
Publishing results is a bad idea. Why risk adding someone who will likely die to my numbers? Which surgeon will give their registrar a go? It goes on their record. We will avoid very sick patients.
What we're talking about here is resourcing.
No, we're talking about numbers. We're talking about ranking people, and surgeons will be hung out to dry. How many cardiac surgeons can we afford to lose? 29. It's not enough.
Liz.
And according to him, half are gonna have to retire soon.
Okay. Doctor.
컨퍼런스가 끝난 뒤 홀로 사색에 잠긴 리처드를 보게 된 엘리자베스.
Interesting, provocative. You're not worried about your data, are
The
you?
other specialties are nervous.
You're not nervous, are you? Because you're brilliant. Elizabeth, unfortunately, I have to tell you that there's been a formal complaint, Lisa's parents.
When were you going to tell me about this?
Well, I'm telling you now.
Piece of shit. I called you last night. I could feel you disappearing.
Yeah, I just want to get the fuck out of here.
Apparently, there's been a complaint.
Like a formal complaint?
Yes, and you wanted to rub it in my face.
Can't handle you.
Did you know Richard left when you were speaking?
No.
He was pretty upset.
He needs to learn to love the hook.
It was pretty public. The things you say out loud, registrars and shambles.
What's wrong with people?
하지만 엘리자베스 역시 자신의 판단이 리사의 죽음에 영향을 준 것은 아닐지 스스로에게 끊임없이 되묻고 있었고.
Andrew?
Seen this?
리사의 가족이 이 사건을 신문사에 제보했던 것이었는데
What can I do for you, Richard?
That's ridiculous and wrong.
What does your father say about it?
I haven't told him anything yet. I'm just not sure what position it would put him in if I told. He's just been appointed to the head of surgery in Dunedin. Not actually sure what he would say.
He'd probably say you're better than this.
You don't understand. Look, I've been having dreams about her.
We did everything in our power.
They're scary dreams, Liz.
Mistakes may always happen. They're just dreams.
Yeah.
이어서 엘리자베스는 실수에 대한 책임은 자신에게 있다며 리처드를 안심시키려 하고
It was my mistake.
That was me.
No, I did. Me. Leave it with me. I've got to get going. To be continued, yeah?
I told her parents that she was okay, that it went well. You said that.
Yes, she was. Stop telling yourself a different story. Jesus, Richard.
괴로워하는 리처드를 뒤로 한 채 문을 나서는 엘리자베스. 하지만 그녀 역시 무거운 마음을 떨칠 수 없었고 며칠 뒤 수술을 준비하던 엘리자베스는 예상치 못한 상황에 놓이게 됩니다.
It's cancelled.
Really?
I don't know. They just told me it's cancelled.
What happened?
Some spag bowl from the fridge in the middle of the night.
Look, how well known is my complaint?
Well, it's about. Can't lie. But as you say, it'll blow over.
Did he really eat something?
So I'm told.
Excuse me?
I have a registered letter for you.
Huh? Is this? Temporarily restricted by practice of laparoscopy and laparotomy. It's just ass-covering cowardice. Unbelievable. Anyway, call me.
그리고 그날 밤 알 수 없는 소리에 잠에서 깬 엘리자베스.
Hello again.
엘리자베스는 그에게 다시 한번 자신의 입장을 설명하는데
Just they lived or they died. That's not transparency. It's looking for someone to blame.
Have you heard of Z51.5? That's the code for palliative care in the UK system, that the patient was already dying when they came in. No chemo, no scalpels, just patients died quietly.
Would my sepsis have qualified? Should I have not intervened?
Maybe it's better for the patients that way. Let them die with dignity.
You know what's best for patients, do you?
I know your reputation, Mrs. Taylor, but is what you do always best for the patients? Hospitals hide these things, don't they? Staff learn to hide things, and the ones hurt the most are the families left behind.
I have a standard. It's the Hippocratic Oath, and I'm not trying to hide anything.
이후 집으로 돌아온 엘리자베스는 짐을 챙겨 떠나려는 로빈에게 이별을 통보받고
Why?
I can't be inside this, Liz. And one of us will go down.
It's just noise.
I need my job, Liz.
I can protect you.
You can't. I'm done.
엘리자베스는 심란한 마음에 리사의 페이스북을 들여다보는데 그때 벽을 바라보던 그녀는 억눌러왔던 감정을 견디지 못하고 벽을 부수기 시작하고 이후 엘리자베스는 호텔로 향합니다. 그리고 다음날 아침 잠에서 깬 그녀는 에티커스를 떠올리고
I forgot he was there. Okay. I forgot the dog.
Just gonna check his heart, okay? He's not doing so good. I think it's time to say goodbye.
Right now?
Yeah. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
You can put your hand on him. You can help him out.
Good dog.
I'm going to put the needle in now, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Check his heart. He's gone now. Would you like him cremated?
He's not my dog. He's not my dog. You killed my dog. I'm so fucking sorry. I'm so sorry.
이후 마음을 추스른 엘리자베스는 리처드에게서 걸려온 여러 차례의 부재중 전화를 확인하고 연락을 시도하지만 좀처럼 연결되지 않자 그의 집을 찾아가는데
Richard? Richard, pick up. Richard! Stupid. Richard! No. You didn't.
리처드마저 세상을 떠나자 엘리자베스는 걷잡을 수 없이 무너져 내리고 그러던 가운데 앤드루는 그녀에게 직원들에게 리처드의 죽음을 알리지 말라고 지시합니다.
Well, what can I do, Andrew? What can I do?
Yeah, it's not an uncommon phenomenon, burnout, so we need to show a united front.
Richard was not burnt out.
Well, did you know my father was a surgeon in Korea? He was a POW where there were millions of flies, maggots. Maggots do their job very well. They never sleep, they never take a break, they clean the wounds. Unlike some people.
What are you getting at?
This hospital has invested a huge amount in you. You're going to be back on call after a week's leave.
이어서 앤드루는 리처드의 죽음을 죄책감이 아닌 번아웃 때문인 것으로 포장하려 하고
You know, the staff will get counselling, there'll be a vigil, business as usual. And I want you to sign up to it all. Cleaning the wound, Elizabeth. Those wonderful maggots.
Listen. Sorry.
이후 중환자실을 찾은 엘리자베스는 당시 리사를 담당했던 의료진을 만나 그날의 일을 듣게 되는데
I sat with Lisa from about midnight.
She was deteriorating. The sepsis was advanced. She was dropping her sats and cyanosis of the lips.
The catheter was bothering her, and her breathing was very rapid.
Brought in the on-call anaesthetist to intubate. She arrested during induction, and we began resuscitation. Pronounced dead.
4:48.
4:48, yes.
Was she lonely at all at the end? We were all here. Her family right up until the intubation. Thank you both. It was very helpful.
잠시 뒤 앤드루가 리처드의 추도식을 진행하고
The result, the terrible toll of burnout. All our staff are vulnerable to these extreme pressures. We, the hospital, the administration, the board, we're responding immediately, putting in place measures to enhance staff well-being as soon as is practicable. We are all in this together and a community. A minute's silence, please.
그때 엘리자베스가 단상 앞으로 다가가는데
I'd like to say something.
Yeah,
I think I
yes,
should say
yes, just a short.
Thank you. Richard Whitehead was my registrar. He was a young man, 26. He didn't die. He committed suicide. He's dead now because he overdosed in a filthy garage alone. That's the truth of it. He took his own life.
Elizabeth.
If you're telling me he lacked something, I don't accept it. I operated on a patient that died after the surgery. I told him to push harder. I chose the timing. It's my responsibility. Richard is dead because he blamed himself for a mistake I made. I didn't make my responsibility clear enough to him. I'm not going to let this boy be scapegoated publicly. We have a covenant with our patients. I will save you with my skills. We're in service to each other, too. And I will not stand by and help pretend that's not the case.
That's enough.
Rest in peace, Richard.
자신의 책임을 인정한 엘리자베스는 이후 리사의 부모님을 찾아갑니다.
This is what happened. Lisa was very sick. Although the original operation was marred by an error I made, without that error, she would have still died. The sepsis was advanced.
Even though your operation went wrong, she still could have died.
Yes.
Is there anything you would have done differently?
If the operation were to happen again, I could make all the same decisions. All the decisions I made were to try to save Lisa. But I would endeavor to be better at explaining it, be better at taking responsibility. I allowed doubt to creep in. She fought really, really hard. You need to know that. In the end, her body gave up. And please know that your daughter was cared for. I wanted a good outcome for Lisa, and I'm so sorry.
Thank you.
의료 현장에서 벌어진 사건이라는 무거운 소재를 다루지만 이 영화가 특별한 이유는 사건을 단순히 가해자와 피해자의 이야기로만 그리지 않는다는 데 있습니다. 영화는 한 번의 사고가 리사의 죽음을 넘어 리처드와 엘리자베스의 삶까지 송두리째 뒤흔드는 과정을 보여주죠. 무엇보다 의료진도 결국 한 명의 사람이라는 사실과 그들이 감당해야 하는 책임과 두려움까지 담아내면서 영화는 우리에게 쉽게 답을 내릴 수 없는 질문을 던집니다. 누구의 잘못인지 쉽게 단정할 수 없는 상황을 통해 우리가 마주할 수 있는 문제들을 다시 생각하게 만드는 영화 미스테이크였습니다.